हरेः ओं नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य 20-द्विसहस्रतमवर्षस्य एप्रिल् मासस्य 19 दिनाङ्के गीताप्रवेशस्य प्रथमभागस्य 40तमकक्षार्थं सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतम्।
हरि ओम्। ततः अटन्तावेव केशवार्जुनौ अन्यं ग्रामं प्राप्तवन्तौ. Then the Krishna and Arjuna who were roaming, they reached another village. Keshavarjunau, Keshavascha, Arjunascha. It will be iteretara dvandva samasah. This atanta veva, what? How will we break it? Atanta eva.
अटन्तौ एव
अटन्तौ एव. अटन्तौ एव.
यान्तावान्तादेशे सन्ति.
अस्तु महोदय. तत्र कस्मिंश्चित् गृहे जले याचिते सति क्षीरं भोज्यं च प्राप्तवन्तौ. Then in some house, when they ask for water, jale yachite sati. When they ask for water, they got milk and food. तस्मिन् ग्रामे अन्येषु त्रिचतुरेषु गृहेषु अपि तादृशमेव आतिथ्यं प्राप्तम्. So in that village, in other 3 or 4 houses also, they got the same type of hospitality. लाभालाभौ रागद्वेषौ निन्दास्तुति वा तान् जनान् न बाधन्ते स्म. So neither gain or loss, ragadvesha, that is dvesha is hate, raga is anger or hate, ninda is stuti, ninda is blame and praise. None of these prevented those people.
They were not harming those people.
Oh, were not harming those people. So labhau, labhascha, alabhascha, iteretara dvandva samasa, ragadvesha, ragascha, dveshascha, iteretara dvandva samasa, ninda,
ninda cha, stuti. This is also iteretara dvandva samasa. Then shall I continue? Yeah, continue. You can continue till 2-3 lines more here.
Okay. Dharma mokshau yagya dana tapamsi eva tesham lakshyam asit. Their aim was doing dharma and getting moksha, and doing sacrifice, dhanam charity, and tapa is penance. These were their main aim. Dharma moksha, dharmascha, mokshascha. This is iteretara. Yajyaha dhanam tapascha. Tapamsi is bahuvachanam, so it will be iteretara dvandva samasa. Yajyadana tapamsi eva tesham lakshyam asit.
Yeah, you can continue till 3 more lines here.
Okay. Bhagavan Krishna tan uddishya avadat. So Bhagavan Krishna, he asked them, अस्मिन् ग्रामे दुर्भिक्षं भवतु. तान् उद्दिश्य अवदत्, अस्मिन् ग्रामे दुर्भिक्षं भवतु. Let there be famine in this village. Nadi tatataha nirjalaha bhavantu. Let all the rivers and the ponds be without water. Vriksheshu latasu cha phala pushpani ma vardhantam. Let the fruits and the flowers not grow in the trees and in the creepers. He said this. So here
आम्
nadi tatakaha so nadyah cha tatakaha cha it will be itaretara dvandva samasa nadyah
नद्याः तटाकाः इति षष्ठी तत्पुरुषसमासः नो चेत् तत्र द्विधा अपि भवितुम् अर्हति नद्यःश्च तटाकाश्च इत्यपि भवति तत्र so it will be the dvandva samasa. So if we take it as a tatpurusha samasa, the meaning is like the shores of the river, let it become the nirjala, but it doesn't really make sense. In that case you have to take the dvandva samasa meaning. So in that case nadis and the tatakas both let them become nirjalas. So this is where the complete meaning changes if you take the different samasa in the while reading. Yeah, agree.
Pushpani, Falani, cha, Pushpani, cha, it will be itaretara dvandva samasa.
Samichinam. Agree gachamah.
Sir, Namaste, I have one question, sir. The thing is, in the earlier one we said, Vismaya Karani, in the first paragraph, Vismaya Karani. So you said Vismaya Karoti iti is what you were saying. So it will be Vismaya Karoti iti is will it be like Kumbhakarha Kumbham Karoti iti, so it is Upapada Karmatare?
Yeah, it is Upapada samasa, correct.
Upapada, sorry,
Upapada.
Yeah, it is Upapada. Okay. I wanted to confirm that.
Yeah.
And so should I continue?
Yes. I think this gives me the confidence that at least you people are following what I teach. That's great.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you.
Agree?
Sri Krishna avadat Partha Bhavan Srishti Stiti Layasya Rahasya na Janati.
पूर्वम् अस्ति खलु भगवन् विस्मितः अर्जुनः पृच्छत् तस्मात् आरभताम्.
One minute, sir. Okay, sir. Vismitah Arjunah aprichat Bhagavan tu kripa sagarah sarvesham yogakshemam vahati evam sati katam dushtan ashisha anugrihitavan sajjanan cha shaptavan. So Arjuna is surprised. In wonderment, he is asking, Bhagavan, you are a kripakar, you are a merciful one, and sarvesham yogakshemam vahati, and you are providing yoga and kshema for everybody. Evam sati, when it is like this, how would you deal or how would you bless the people who are bad? Sajjanaha cha shaptavan, and you also shaptavan is like you bestow curse and good people also. How does that happen? So I've given the meaning. Yoga kshemam means yogascha kshemam cha anayoho samaharaha. Yoga kshemam is a samahara dvandva. And so that is the meaning. And you want me to kripa sagaraha. Okay. Then Sri Krishna kripa sagaraha is again, it will be bahuvrihi. Kripa eva सागरः यस्य सः कृपासागरः
कृपा एव सागरः यस्मिन् सः.
यस्मिन् सः yeah, so it will be a bahuvrihi
आम्.
samasah. And so then what else is there in that sentence? I think that is all.
नो चेत् कृपायाः सागरः यस्मिन् सः, but that doesn't make any sense. Okay. कृपा एव सागरः.
कृपा एव सागरः. Then Sri Krishna अवदत्, पार्थ भगवान् सृष्टि स्थिति लयस्य रहस्य न जानाति. यदि should I say one sentence explain and then go, sir, or the whole thing we want to read and then?
Yes. We'll read one by one, and maybe 2 more sentences we can take.
Okay, sir. So Sri Krishna said, Partha, Arjuna, you do not know about the Srishti Sthiti Laya, that is the order of creation. So it will be Srishtischa, Sthitischa, Layascha, Etesham Samaharaha, Srishti Sthiti Laya, Layam, Tasya. Tasya Rahasyam na Jala. So it is again a Samahara Dvandva. And यदि विघ्नाः कष्टानि च भवन्ति तर्हि ग्रामे जनाः तत्र चिरं न तिष्ठन्ति. So he says that if there are any obstacles and difficulties, then in that village people will not stay there for long. They ashrayam anvishyantah anyat sthanam upagachanti. So they will not seek shelter and they will go away to other places.
Samichinam. Agree?
Shall I continue? Tena teshu. Okay, sir. Should I continue, sir?
Yeah, one more sentence and we'll go to the next one.
Tena teshu vartamanaha sadgunaha sarvatra prashritaha bhavanti. So by this they will their good qualities, the good quality that they have, they will be spreading it in different places. ग्रामे यदि सर्वविधं सौख्यं भवति तर्हि जनाः सुखभोगेषु रममाणाः बहिः नैव गच्छन्ति येन तेषां सद्गुणाः तत्रैव भवन्ति. If there are all kinds of comforts in the same place, in the same gramam, then what happens is the people will enjoy the sukam cha bhogam cha. So they will enjoy the sukha bhoga very they will enjoy it and they will not think of going out of that village. In which case, by these people, what happens is sukha bhogam does not spread, it will be the same place it will remain.
Samichinam. Atra sukha bhogeshu?
Sukha bhogeshu will be sukascha bhogascha sukha bhogam teshu.
Sukhancha bhogascha sukha bhogeshu bhogau iti. Parant atra sukhani cha bhogaah cha iti.
Bhogani cha. You can take both also, sir.
तत्र भोगश्च इति भवति. भोगानि इति पुंलिङ्गप्रयोगः. अतः सुखानि च भोगाः च तेषु इति सुखभोगेषु.
So it will be a samahara dvandva or it will be
सुखभोगेषु इति किं वचनं?
Is it no, it becomes bahuvachanam, so it will be iteretara dvandva. Okay.
Iteretara dvandva.
Yes, thank you.
अग्रे गच्छामः.
येन तेषां समुद्गुणाः तत्रैव भवन्ति. Half left, I think. Has she completed?
So that is completed. The next one, yeah.
उत्तमानां गुणानां प्रसारः यदि सर्वत्र ईष्यते तर्हि उत्तमजनानां सर्वत्र गमनम् अपेक्षणीयम्. Good people, spreading of good people यदि सर्वत्र इष्यते everywhere good people must spread, otherwise उत्तमजनानां सर्वत्र गमनं अपेक्षणीयम्, expected, अपेक्षणीयम्. Good people is expected everywhere.
सो अत्र उत्तमानां गुणानां प्रसारः यदि सर्वत्र इष्यते वेन् एव्रिवेर् इट् इस् विश् टु हेव् द गुड् क्वालिटीस् आर् गुड् कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स् देन् उत्तमजनानां सर्वत्र गमनम् अपेक्षणीयं then it is expected to have the arrival of the uttama janas everywhere. I mean the spreading of
the good people.
Yeah, going or the spreading of.
Tasmat aham.
Yeah, go ahead.
Tasmat aham sajjananam ashubham akanksitavan iti. Because of that aham sajjananam ashubham, that is why I made evil things to the good people. Akanshitavan. I expected. Akanshitavan.
Expected. Yes. I wish for. I decide for their ashubham.
एतत् रहस्यं श्रुत्वा कृष्णस्य स्वस्य च अन्तरं विजानन् अर्जुनः परं विस्मयम् अगमत्. Arjuna was surprised after hearing this secret, on hearing the secret of Krishnasya inter knowledge, antaram vijnana.
No. Etat after hearing this Krishnasya swasya cha antaram, knowing the innerness of the Krishna, his own self, Vijanan Arjunaha, knowing that Arjunaha param vismayam agamat, he reached the great astonishment or great
surprise.
Yeah, surprise.
Astonished.
Astu.
Dhanyawad.
Samichinam.
Mahodaya, I have some doubts. In the first para,
Yes.
Shaschariyam, will that be samasa, bahuvrihi samasa? The antima last line, Shaschariyam apashyatam. Will that be the saha purvapada bahuvrihi?
अत्र बहुव्रीहि लक्षणम् अस्ति वा?
सः आश्चर्यं साश्चर्यं
न बहुव्रीहेः लक्ष्यं किम्, लक्षणं किम्? अन्यपदार्थप्रधानः. तर्हि अत्र अस्ति वा अन्यपदार्थस्य प्रधानत्वं?
तौ साश्चर्यम् अपश्यताम्.
So there are two kinds of, there are actually it can give multiple meanings. It can even be taken as even tatpurusha samasa, or it can be taken as bahurihi samasa, or it can be taken as avyaya bhava samasa. So in the case of tatpurusha samasa, na क्षम्यताम्,
साश्चर्यं
सपुत्रः इति दृष्टवन्तः खलु?
No, the first para, last line, सर्वं तौ शास्त्रम् अपश्यता.
अस्तु, साश्चर्यं क्षम्यतां, तत्पुरुषसमासः न स्यात्. अत्र बहुरिहिः भवेत्, नो चेत् अव्ययभावसमासः भवेत्. So we will cover avyaya bhava later, but here with aschariyam, that's the meaning here.
Okay.
But definitely it's not bahurihi. If it is bahurihi, then it will be something like example is saputraha, पुत्रेण सह वर्तते इति सः पुत्रः अत्र आश्चर्येण वर्तते इति सः साश्चर्यः इति भवति that generally becomes it is not bahurihi samasa. So with bahurihi to which it is pointing to that we have to identify. If we say bahurihi anya padartha pradanaha, which is that anya padartha, that we, if we know that one it can be a bahurihi samasa.
Ityadikam sarvam tau shaschariyam. So with ashcharyam only, so it will not be and in the last towards the end uttama jananam will be karma dharaya.
So here the sascharayam can be a visheshanam for sarvam. So in that case there is a possibility of having bahurihi samasa. The sarvam, they all exist with ascharayam. That's the way it's taken, but it is generally taken as avaya bhava samasa here.
Avyaya bhava.
Yeah, but if you say bahurihi, we can still justify that with combining that with sarvam. But here when you say sascharayam apashyatam, this is kind of a visheshanam for apashyatam. It's but we are making a forceful visheshanam for sarvam for justifying the bahurihi samasa, but it's actually it's a visheshanam for apashyatam. So in that case generally sascharayam will be the bahuri avaya bhava samasa. Okay, maybe we will again come back here after learning the avaya bhava samasa.
And uttama jananam will be karma dharaya in the end of the last.
Yes. Yes.
And ashubha will be nai prabhritya samasa, nai tatpurusha. That also in the last line.
Yes. That's also nai tatpurusha samasa. Agre abhyasah एकवाक्येन उत्तरयत अत्र गृहपाठरूपेण कर्तुं शक्नुमः इति मन्ये अतः पुनः रिक्तस्थानं पूरयत अत्रापि गृहपाठरूपेण कर्तुं शक्यते अग्रे द्वन्द्वसमासः कथायां स्थूलाक्षरैः मुद्रितानि एतानि समस्तपदानि सावधानं पठत. I think we have covered all of this and similarly we have seen all these samastapadams plus vigraha vakyams of the same. Agre एतानि वाक्यानि सावधानं परिशीलयत. युधिष्ठिरार्जुनौ पाण्डवेषु अन्यतमौ स्तः. So we'll do one thing, we'll just read two sentences and we'll try to give the meaning and we'll try to identify the samasas in them.
युधिष्ठिरार्जुनौ पाण्डवेषु अन्यतमौ स्तः. So Yudhishthira and Arjuna are one among the Pandavas. Yudhishthira cha Arjuna cha, it will be iteratara dvandva samasa. Raga dveshau manavam kalushitam kuruta. So here also it will be iteratara dvandva samasa. Raga and dvesha, they pollute the human beings.
Vyasu Kanva Kapilaha Mantra Vetaraha Muneha. These three people, Vyasaha, Kanvaha, Kapilaha. Vyasagascha, Kanvascha, Kapilahascha. Iteratara dvandva. All the three mantra vetaraha rishis.
Samichanam. Agree.
Hemanta, Shishira, Vasantaha. These are three type of periods, no? Vasantakalam, Hemantakalam, Shishirakalam. Iteratara dvandva. Hemantaha, Pramukaha, ऋतवः वर्तन्ते.
हरि ओम्. भरणी कृत्तिका रोहिण्यः सप्तविंशत्यां नक्षत्रेषु अन्तर्भवन्ति. It is भरणीश्च कृत्तिकाश्च रोहिणी च भरणी. It is iteratara dvandva. So Bharani, Kritika and Rohini, they form the nakshatras within the 27 of the nakshatras. Then Vyakarana Niruktam Vedangeshu Antarbhavati. So Vyakaranam cha Niruktam cha Niyo Samaharaha, because it is a Ekavachana. So it becomes a Samahara Dvandva. Vedangeshu Antarbhavati is Vyakaranam, and Niruktam is it logic, sir? Niruktam? Grammar and logic, is it? Grammar and Niruktam?
Grammar, it's generally the etymology of the Veda Shabdas. They call it, that's actually part of the Nirukta Grantha.
Okay. So that forms part of the
etymology and the meaning of
Veda.
the Veda Shabdas.
Okay, the etymology. They come under the Veda.
Vyakaranaani cha Niruktani cha tesham samaharaha Vyakarana Niruktam iti.
Okay, Vyakaranani cha Niruktani cha. Okay. So here Vyakaranam, we will not take it as grammar, sir. You will not take it as grammar, is it?
It's a grammar, but actually the Vedangas they present in all Vedas, right? All 4 Vedas, they have 6 Vedangas. So in that case, there are 4 Vyakaranas, 4 Niruktams. So in that way, Vyakaranani cha Niruktani cha iti Bahuvachanam. It's actually regular Vyakarana for the. Yes, sorry.
You will just take it as etymology. That one, you will just take it as one word, is it? If you have to give the English meaning.
No. It's a collection of Vyakarana and Niruktam. That's the way it is. It's a Samahara. The meaning is a collection of Vyakarana and Niruktam.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Dhanyavad.
So etymology and the meanings are given in the Nirukta Shastra, and Shabdanam Vyutpattihi Tatra Vyakarane Darshita. Ataha Dvayoh Samaharaha Vyakarana Niruktam iti uchyate.
अस्तु महोदय, धन्यवादः.
हरि ओम्. कुरुक्षेत्रे रत्तिकाश्वरोहं युद्धम् अकरोत्. In Kurukshetra, Rattikas and Ashwarohas did the war. Rattikascha Ashwarohascha. This is Rattikas Ashwaroham Samahara Dvandava.
Samichinam.
हरि ओम्. उदरहृदयं प्राणिनः. अस्तु. सेनामां, that property is there. तुर्य प्राणिनङ्गः तुर्यङ्गाणां सेनागानां, that property is placed here. उदरहृदयं प्राणिनः प्रमुखम् अङ्गम्. उदरं च हृदयं च. This is also the first rule. प्राणिनानाङ्गः उदरम् and हृदयं. So this is Samahara Dvandava. एकवचने अस्ति इति कारणात्.
समीचीनम्. अस्तु, द्वन्द्वसमासः समाप्यते. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video online. Let us meet in the next session. If you have any queries or if you want to interact with teachers or students, log into forum.sanskrit.today and subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group, and make use of the comment section below the video to post any suggestions or feedback about this session or the series, and finally like this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video online. Let us meet in the next session. Dhanyawadaha.